Hi everyone, we're going to be making baked Monte Cristo sandwiches today. I sprayed a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with nonstick cooking spray on the bottom and the sides. I have 8 slices of thick bread and I've margarined one side of each of them, and I went ahead and put 4 of the pieces of bread in here with the margarine side up. So I put 2 pieces of deli honey ham on each slice first, and 1 piece of oven roasted deli turkey on top of that. And on top of that, each I put 2 pieces of baby Swiss cheese. And on top of those, I'm going to go ahead and put the bread margarine side down again. In a bowl, I have 6 eggs, and I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. I'm going to whisk this together. Okay, so I put that over evenly. So I kind of squished it down just a little bit into the liquid with my hand. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cover this with foil and bake it covered for 30 minutes. So it's finished baking the 30 minutes, and I've uncovered it. I'm going to stick it back in the oven for another 20 minutes uncovered. And I want it to be lightly golden brown around the edges and set. So there's my baked Monte Cristo sandwiches. You could serve it with some jam on the side if you like, or even dust it with some powdered sugar. I hope you guys like my video. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.